Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add multiple characters in Character AI on your phone. First of all, you have to download Character AI app on your phone from App Store, or if you have Android, you can download it from Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you have to click on open and sign in with your account. Once you have signed in with your account, you will see all of the characters you have already added or already created. For example, I have created some of the characters. For example, my character, I have created this character from scratch. There are multiple my characters, and if you want to create multiple characters or more than one characters, all you have to do is click on this create button and select create character. From here you can set any name. For example, this time I won't name my character as my character. This time I will name it as your character. This is the name. Click on next. From here, let's give your character a photo. You can either generate a photo. I don't want to generate any photos, so I will click on next. And you can also select any voice for your character. For example, I will select on change, and I will change it to your boy. Select voice. You have to create a greeting, for example. You can type anything. And you can select your character visibility, either public, unlisted, or private. I will set it as private and click on next. And then click on create. And as you can see, I have created a new character, and I have already made more characters in past. So by doing this multiple times, you can add multiple characters in Character AI on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.